Well, hello, it's Mike speaking. I'm here in Tokyo, Japan, and one of the more unusual tourist attractions here in Tokyo is the Shibuya Scramble Crossing. It's built a reputation for itself, and of course we're in the world's biggest city here, so this is the sort of thing that can happen. But it is the world's busiest intersection. You're looking at it now. Between 2,500 and 3,000 people will cross into this intersection every light change in peak hour. So there they go now. It comes from 5 different directions. All the traffic stops. It goes red lights all the way around, and people converge on this intersection. Between 50 and 70,000 people can cross here per hour in peak time. So it's an unbelievable place, because you really do get the full vibe of how big Tokyo is when you come here to Shibuya. The whole intersection is surrounded by billboards, LED lighting, neon signs. It's got every major corporate business in the world is doing an advertising here of some description. So I'm not really a lover of intersections at the best of times, but this is, I think this gives you a real indication of just how big Tokyo is when you come to this intersection. Just the life and all the people that feed off of it into the back streets around here, which are also very busy. So I would describe it as electric chaos wrapped up in perfect order. Here I am in Starbucks. If you're coming here, go up to Starbucks, have a coffee, and you're about 4 or 5 stories high and you can overlook the intersection. And look how quickly it builds up on all the intersections, the crowd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups of people getting ready to cross. There they go. I just walked across. I don't normally get too excited about pedestrian crossings, but I believe them when they say that's the busiest in the world. This truck has been driving around for days with a TikTok star on there. And the music just keeps coming out saying join up or something. She's a TikTok star or something. So I was standing on the side of the road here in Shibuya. I'm in the world's biggest city, and I'm also in one of the world's most advanced cities. So we're looking at the traffic here. You'll notice they're just about all black taxis, Ubers and buses. You'll see very few private individual vehicles owned by residents. The underground system here is so advanced that you don't need to bring a vehicle into Tokyo. In fact, you'd be crazy to bring a vehicle in here. The train network coming from all over Tokyo is so good that you can come here to Shibuya easily. Yeah, this is just a nice little quiet Thursday night in Tokyo. You just come up from the tube station here and you walk into this. Shibuya Station. Fantastic area this too. This is Shibuya. They say Shinjuku and Shibuya are the two biggest tourist hotspots in Tokyo. And I tend to agree with them. Are you Japanese or Filipino?
No, he's American.
American?
Vietnamese.
1, 2, 3.
But you look Japanese a
Oh,
little
really?
bit. Very good.
Yeah, thank you.
I came in here to get a beer, and because I'm absolutely thirsty in Shibuya, but I asked for a beer, and they gave me a big one like that. 1,100 Japanese yen. Actually, that's not bad. For 1,100 Japanese yen, for a... I'm trying to see the size of it. 500 mil. So that's not bad value. What a beautiful night here in Tokyo. Just a magnificent night. Not hot, just a beautiful breeze, but a lot of people out and about. I just stopped to have a beer in one of the little bars on the side here. And because the football season on Adelaide, Australia, of course, so I checked the scores, and my Adelaide Crows are leading at half-time in their game against the Western Bulldogs in Melbourne. 6 goals up at half-time, so that makes the Crows supporter happy, a long way from home. I'm coming back to this huge intersection again in Shibuya. And I've got to go across because I've got to get a tube back to Shinjuku, where I'm staying. And the underground is over there, the tube station's over there. So I've got to get there. Have a look at the number of people on each part of the intersection. Crazy. People are videoing, look. They're videoing. Here they go, look at them. So they run to the centre and then they'll do all these sort of funny steps and video themselves. Look. Oh look, the number of young Japanese people out at night It is a magnificent place, this Shibuya. What a lifestyle these young Japanese people have too. They really enjoy themselves in a great city. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.